fair bit of different variation levels here. So effectively what I want to do is I'll bring all that rock, I'm going to bring all that rock through and level all this off through here. But basically a little bit, inches, 25-40 mil under the height of that wall, bring that through level, scrape all this rock out through here, which I've already started. I just wanted to show you how it comes up. Pull all that back, sort of taper that off a bit, away from that camellia there, and bring that through and take it down to there, and we'll finish up with the rock around those magnolias there, back this side of those magnolias where I put those 3 big ones. And then